Hello traders! In this video I will show you how to start your day trading session if you are a beginner. What will you know from this video? The basics of levels building, entrance to the market and trading amount, risk management, statistics, and few words about core strategies. And finally, some extremely useful and free source of all the information you need as a beginner to be profitable. What do we start our trading with? What is the most important professional habit you should get used to? Building levels. How to define strong, important levels. Remember the rule. Level is support or resistance horizontal line that could be defined easily and visible to all market participants. If it's clearly understandable and visible to all traders, that means it will work with a high probability. The levels of the higher time frames are always stronger. We do not recommend building too many levels because it may confuse you. Several strong minimums and maximums of the daily or 4 hours time frame and several supportive levels of 15 minutes or 1 hour will be fine. We recommend separating strong and supportive levels with different colors. Strong with the red, for example, and the levels of 1 hour or 15 minutes time frames in yellow. Now we have defined the range of our intraday trading. Let's talk about entrance zones and how many lots we should place according to your deposit. Let's look at the situation where we see the perfect entry point. We should divide our trading amount to 2 or more parts and put one part with limit order charge less fees than market orders, and another buy market right at the moment of breakout. It's a kind of risk diversification. I will explain. The price could break such amount of limit orders so sharply that execution of your limit orders would be failed due to high volatility. That's why we additionally add some lots by market, a part of those put with limit orders. We recommend setting your trading amount in advance. Let's figure out how to do it properly. If your leverage is 20x, that is recommended standard, you should use for each trade from 5 to 10% of your deposit with leverage. For example, you have $100 of your initial capital, your leverage is 20. It means that you actually have $2,000. 5 and 10% from 2,000, 100 and 200 correspondingly. That is your trading amount. Here in futures order book we switch to dollars and set the amount in dollars that we have just defined. Corresponding amount in lots will be visible here. Now let's talk about risk management. Let's set a very useful tool in settings from scratch, a ruler feature. Every time we enter the market, our stop loss will be 1% or less. And such a ruler will help you to set it properly. The percentage is reflected by the current price. Setting 1% stop loss in every trade will minimize your risk. Let's turn back to our example. If we enter the market with $100 or $200, namely 5 or 10% from our leveraged deposit, a 1% loss will be $1 or $2 correspondingly. But be sure that your potential profit should be $4 or $6 to reach a good risk-reward ratio. I'm sure you will agree that it's quite simple to adhere to such risk management. A few words about statistics. There are no traders who close every position in profit. You should mentally accept the most important thing. Loss is a part of our profession. Your result is not closing every position in profit. Your result is strictly following the trading system and risk management. Many successful traders have periods when 8 out of 10 deals are closed in loss, but the last two compensate for previous losses and even bring some profit. The core rule is to earn a long-term profit, and it's real only by strictly following your risk management, trade system, and filtering trades, entering setups according to the risk-reward ratio when you can afford to lose $1 and potentially earn $6. Finally, for those who are just starting traders' careers, I would recommend a free course with very useful tips, educational videos or strategies, and other exceptionally useful information. Watch the videos about core strategies we use, namely pullback and breakout strategies that will definitely help you in understanding what to trade and what to filter out. I will give a link under this video. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared for Syscap Trading Terminal team.